Hi everybody, this is Rita with Broomstitch. I hope that you're having a good day today. It's a Thursday and it's been a while that I uploaded a video. I have been really busy preparing for some fall craft shows that are going to be starting. Actually, the first one that I'm going to with my creations is just a week from this coming Saturday, October 2nd. Yeah, I have been really busy making a lot of stuff for my upcoming craft shows, holiday craft shows, and they do start pretty early. So I wanted to share a few things with you guys in this quick little video that I have already made for the show, for the first show. And then I wanted to do a little tutorial on my little rolled flowers that I have been asked to do. I had multiple requests for these. The way I do them, they are just really shabby and not, even or anything like that. Just kind of quickly made, simple little rolled flowers. But first, let me show you some of the things that I made. I make some Victorian Christmas ornaments. These are holiday craft shows that I'm preparing for. So I make Victorian Christmas ornaments. These are some of them that I have made. These are little angels with long lace skirts. So what I do is I have the image on a heavy cardstock, and then I put together a lot of different laces, lots of different layers of all kinds of different laces and ribbons and trims, and then I sew it on the back and put a bow on the back, and then I also sew on a hanger, so you can hang this on a tree or even on a doorknob. A pretty decoration. I make it and then I put glitter on the wings. I make them in gold, pink wings, and then a mauve kind of color. I don't know if it's really showing up, but yeah, this is the back of them with this cute bow. So yeah, it looks so cute. I just love these long little lace skirt on these beautiful angels. So I have my little angels right here, and then I'm gonna be making, I just started this just to put this together roughly, a different angel skirt, and this will be a little bit different. I will make several of those. And then what also I made, and I have made a lot of these are little mini Scrappy Journals that are actually tied together. The tie has been sewed on, glued on and sewed on, and some are Christmas themes like this one. Some are just Victorian ladies themed little journals. Some are doggy themed little Scrappy Journals. I have kitty themes. There's another kitty one. Here's another Christmas one. This little 3D flower. So they are just all different. I made a lot of these for the craft show. And then another thing I was gonna show you that I made was these little different style of Tussie Mussies, or really these are the gift card holders, gift card slash ornaments, because you can hang these on the tree. The base is cardstock, and then I put some really patterned paper, really patterned paper around it. Really pretty patterned paper around it is what I meant to say. Really pretty paper. And then I sewed on. No, actually, I think I glued this on the cardstock. This pretty lace. And then I have an image. But yeah, you can use this as a decoration on your tree. You can even put like little holly pieces in it, or tree pieces in it, or whatever you want in it, little decorations, berries. Or you can use it as a perfect size for gift cards or money, or little gifts. And then I have another style with these little dangles on the bottom that have been sewn on. There's a little angel. This is more of a grungy. This has been grunged up with coffee. This is really pretty lace. And then another one. Each will be totally different. I only made 3 so far. This is a white or a cream color. And so those are little gift card holders. And I think that's all I have that I can show you that I made. Now, my event, the first one is October 2nd. I'm planning to take a little video if I'll have time, once everything is set up before people start coming, and post that video so you can see more of the products and how I have it set up at the craft fair. So yeah, I will show you more of the products, a little bit of a sneak peek at the show of what I will have. Okay, on to the little tutorial. These are the little mini rosettes that I have made. You want to use fabric that's not slippery because you don't really want it to slip out of your hands. And this is kind of a real light cottony muslin fabric. The length doesn't matter because the longer it is, the bigger your flower is going to be. For these little ones that are about a little bit over an inch in size flowers, I used about a foot long, 12 inches for my fabric, and the width is about 1 3/4 inches. But I don't measure, I never measure, I just cut. What you do is just fold this fabric in half the long way. Fold it in half. It's okay, it's not gonna stay that way. But you wanna fold it in half as you go. Oop, make sure I'm in frame, sorry about that. So fold it in half, and then at the top, again, it's my cutting is not even. It's really shabby, really just kind of grungy looking. Fold it in once, just like you're trying to. Fold it in twice, and then once that's gonna be your center, then you're gonna twirl it around your I'm right-handed, so on my left pointy finger for lack of a better term, and then you start twirling it around that little midsection. Keep twirling it in your left hand, keep twirling it, and it's okay if it comes undone. Just twirl it again, and just with your right thumb and your right forefinger, you want to hold down really strongly on the little flower that's already forming. You want to keep that in place, especially with that right thumb. And you just keep twirling it and positioning it around it. See what it looks like that. Keep twirling it nice and tight. Now once it's done, you want to sew this down right away, either by hand or I do it by a sewing machine, because if you don't, it's going to come unraveling, so your work was nothing basically. It's going to come all apart, but that's what it's looking like so far. And you just twirl it around all the way until you get to the end. See, I'm just twirling it. Just like twirling your hair, you know, twirl your hair. But that's why you do twirl, twirl, and roll around it. Just rolling it on top of each other here. And holding it down with that thumb. Holding it down with the thumb. That's where it's at. Until you get to the very end. And it doesn't matter if it comes apart a little bit because it adds to the shabbiness. I'll show you one more time the whole thing in just a second. I'm almost at the end with this one. Okay, so that's what this looks like. And since I'm not gonna stop this video right now to sew this together, I'm gonna put a clip on it. I hope it's gonna hold it together for me for the time being. So let's show it one more time. I'll show you. I didn't do anything special at the end, okay? I didn't do anything special at the end. You just have to put it under your sewing machine and just sew this across. That's why you don't want to make this too big, because you don't want to break a needle. You don't want to make this too thick. You don't want to use very thick material. This is real light material. Again, nothing that's slippery, and you want to use lightweight. So you fold this fabric in half again, then fold it in once on the top, and one more time. That's your center, and then you start twirling it in a circle around the middle, kind of where it wants to go. I'm just going in a circle, as you can see. My right hand is just kind of in the motion, like going in a circle. That's what it's looking right now. This is the easiest one I found. I looked at a lot of tutorials online, and they were all great tutorials, but I like simple things. So this, I kind of came up with this method, combining a couple of different tutorials. I said, let's just try it this way, and it works for me. I don't use these little rosettes very often. I do have a project that I want to use a lot of these on, but that's going to be in the future sometime. Don't even know when. But see, it looks pretty cute, I think. So just keep working at holding it down with that right thumb and that right forefinger. Make sure you hold it down nice and strong so it doesn't come apart. And with your left forefinger, you just kind of twirl it at the end. There's your end. And there's a little bit of looseness in between. That's okay. You will be sewing this together. So that's what it looks like. And again, the finished ones look like this. I don't even know which one is there, front or back. But yeah, they are kind of shabby looking, okay? But that's the look I'm going for. So thank you so much, everybody. You guys have a great weekend. And again, I think next time is probably going to be at the show when I do my video there, and then I upload it so you can see all the products that I've made. If you're interested in any of these, I could make them available for sale. I still do have a bunch of stuff on my site for sale, a lot of different things. A link is below, and thank you so much for your support. Peace out.